guys. No, I'm joking. That would be funny though if I copied Awakened Toast and get like thousands of views for it. If I ever do get thousands of views on a video. Anyway, yeah, we're an animal company. Y'all should know this by now. This is a very Sigma game, and yeah, I heard y'all should have seen the like enter. Oh my goodness, he looks so Sigma. Okay, I'm just gonna ignore that for now. How much money do I have? 835. That is a lot of money. That's good. Let's come up here. What? Weekly job. Wait a minute. Nope. I'm fine. Fine. Use a disposable camera. Armstrong on for a second. And okay. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna do that, any of those. But this looks. I don't know what this looks like, to be honest. Weird glow sticks, and so how do I, for when, wait, what is it? Animate. Oh, like, what do we do? Do we grab this, some sort of like, what the? Oh wait, let me just put this in my backpack so I don't accidentally. What the heck? What the? Woo! The Sigma? Okay, I honestly don't care about those coins, so let's just do this. Okay. I'm not gonna do that, bro. No. Okay, so over here. Oh, that tells you how much nuts, like how many crystals you have, thingies that you have. Alright, so I've watched Awakened Toast's video. This looks very promising. Alright, so I don't want a weird glow stick. I want to go the dangerous way. I just wasted dynamite. Oh, crowbar. Crowbar. Is this a crowbar? Wait, so. Get off of me. How big of an explosion is it? What? Oh, that's a big explosion. I just saw some of my nuts. Alright, we got the crowbar. This is very dangerous to traverse. Wait, is this a no? Oh yeah. No. This is a very versatile landscape. Wait. Yeah. I'm gonna go grab my backpack. I can grab my backpack now. That is actually very nice. So, this is honestly just fake lava. Yeah, like my backpack is like right there. I can literally just like grab it. It's so easy. Okay. No, I did not mean to do that at all. Jump. Let's go. Woohoo! Okay, so where is the next item? It's all the way over there, isn't it? Oh no, it's over there. Hey, it's a giant beacon in the sky. How do I not? Oh, I'm so blind. So I had no idea there was a grappler in the game, and I don't feel like going to get that. Yeah. And I'm gonna beat Awakened Toast to it by to a video idea by actually trying to grind for everything. Impact grenade. Ooh, I would love that. Any grenades? Good. Can I jump this? Actually, that's a strategy now. That's going to be a new, like, sorts of strategy. I don't know. Okay. What is this? It depends. It depends if I want to get this. No longer able to explosions. It's like a fireworks show. Okay, yeah, I would like this. I only have 2, so. No. I don't want that, bro. What is that? I don't want a football. Footballs suck. Let's go over there. Bruh. Yeah, my backpack has actually like, a lot of good stuff in it, so I don't want to actually like lose that. So let's go back and try to get my backpack. I could be a real dummy sometimes. Like just now, I nearly died. Where's my backpack? I'm literally having like a panic attack right now. Where's? Oh, I see it. All right, I got it. No, I don't want to open it. There we go. All right, let's go back. Yeah, I can be real knucklehead sometimes. What is this? Oh, flare gun. All right. Alright, I have 1 crystal left, so let's go see if this is like. Worth it. Okay, yeah, that's 1. And I have 1, so. What is this? Tripwire. Actually, yeah, that is quite good, yeah. Alright, let's go. Let's go back. Bruh. Honestly, yeah, I'm just gonna die myself. I'm just gonna die myself. Because that way I can just run back and get it. Because it's like right there, so it doesn't matter really. And plus, we can automatically respawn here. So it's fine. My backpack was like right there, yeah. Okay. Alright, so. So it turns out we do want to do some of those quests, and I keep accidentally leaving my boundary. That's fine. Alright, I am not gonna do this for myself, except, hold on, I can do, what is this? The heck? What is this? What? Ooh, oh wait. Right, gadgets, bags, okay. Okay. What would I need? Oh. What was I even? Wait, camera. I don't think I have a camera yet. Yeah, I don't have a camera. I just. Okay. Anyway, we're gonna have to go to a public code so I can actually do this. And obviously, no, I don't want to die. This is all my good hard work earned stuff before this.
Who here owns revolvers?
Yo, wait a minute.
Yo, bro.
Can you guys?
Here,
Wait a minute, I just realized I had a rare backpack that nobody else has.
Bro,
No, like activate it.
Okay.
Yeah, I got the ball.
Yeah.
And then drop it.
if you show me where's
Yeah.
Yo, I got the ball. You're my Pokemon now.
but
You, how did you get the grappler?
Guys, let's go troll the giant. Let's go troll the
I don't want
There's
to be
2
a
ways to
Pokemon
get it. One is from sewers, and one is from.
Can you come with me to sewers so I can get that and I know where to get that?
I've been every lobby I go, I'm a Pokemon now.
I'm just gonna switch to channel 1. Switch to channel 1. Hold on,
Entrance of the forest, okay? We're
Guys,
about to
help.
jump the
I
giant.
could-
I forgot how to switch to channel 1.
He fell.
Oh, okay, I got it. Switch to channel 1, yeah.
sure.
Switch to channel 1. Alright, let's go to sewers.
Okay.
Let's go to sewers.
Wait,
Yeah.
Black.
I want
Cool.
to do it again.
You can have this one. I have like three
Yay.
in my
Kill
backpack.
me again.
Yahoo!
Why do you torture me?
Oh.
Everybody
I can't-
That is
tortures
actually
me.
super cool.
I can't do it to you again because I don't have the item.
Is that a yacht?
I
What
will
is
give you
that?
the die.
What is that? Who are you?
It's a giant. What do you mean?
I've never seen that
It's a
before.
giant.
Wait, can I grapple onto him?
I know they added that recently.
I'm gonna get you now.
No, you can't. It's gonna be your biggest mistake if you grapple onto him. He's gonna kill you.
Is his name
Okay.
Armstrong, man? Because we need to kill him with a shotgun.
You can't grapple onto him.
I'm on
It's-
vacation every single day.
Wait,
'cause
hold
I
on.
live in occupation.
What? The 5-year-old's gonna die?
I'm gonna go blow him up, actually. Wait, no. I'm not gonna.
Stop. Hey, let me see if it's no PvP.
All right, let's go get his
follow me.
yacht.
Totally fun.
Guys, I'm gonna go whack him with the stick. Not like an actual stick, like a metal stick.
Hey. I dare you next to throw me at the giant.
Throw you at the giant? No, I don't wanna.
Is he trying to walk at me?
I have a revolver. Yo, touch that.
Bro,
rock.
you gotta
Wait.
you gotta
Come here.
fix your teeth, man. Oh, what the heck?
Hey, bro, you remember me?
What the? All right.
I've
Alright.
got to smell this smell.
No, what the heck? What the? Okay, he just stole my grappler. I'm so. And he stole my backpack, bro.
Dude.
Okay, I'm about to go kill some kids.
Holy crap! You just pulled the pin.
Dude, they just stole all of my stuff. No. You, give me back my grappler right now.
I know.
Give me B. Give me.
I'm so
Give me
sorry.
backpack.
No. Please.
Bow down.
No. Back. Give me RPG.
monkey.
Dude,
Bad
what makes you think I have an RPG?
Bad
And plus, you stole it from me.
Oh!
Is there someone who has RPG or you're not getting?
Well, womp, buddy, you're not getting an RPG.
This kid. Nobody has RPG.
Oh, no. Hey,
Huh.
Pink. Do you own a blue backpack?
Yes.
Oh, thank you.
Are you blind?
Can I have my backpack?
No.
That's
I
my
did not
backpack.
own it. I did not
Okay,
own
they're
it.
idiots.
Okay, actually, you know what? I was kidding. I do own it, but
What
if you give
is
me that
this?
I mean, if
What
you,
is this?
here, I'll trade it for that.
No.
Hey, wait, what
Alright,
is this?
give me one.
What is this?
All right, I'm gonna go. And,
Alright, three. Wait, you drop yours.
I wish.
Ready?
Yo,
No,
wishing
I'll
you
drop
a
it. Three,
Merry Christmas.
two,
Anybody here own
one.
RPG ammo?
That was mine. That was mine originally. I swear. Wait. Why no? You didn't take mine. No, it was a different guy that took mine.
I don't want to.
It wasn't you. Wait a minute. Yeah, it was you who stole my grappler. Idiot. Yeah, it was. I saw you.
Oh, someone scammed me. Are you serious?
Watch out, bro. Anyway.
Alright, you want to go get some with me so I can have one, please?
Yeah, we gotta go get grapplers. Do you know where the grapplers are? Cause I'll come with you. Alright,
Yeah,
let's go.
come on, let's go.
From the screen to
From the screen to the ring to the pen to the king. Where's my cow? Baby, bing, bong, bing.
No, respawn!
Oh, that's like horrible.
Oh, I know where the grappler is. I know where this team is. Bro,
I don't. Dude, I haven't played Animal Company in like a month. That's why I haven't posted any videos about it in forever. Alright, what's up, baby girl? What's up? Yes! Box. I see box. Should we get box? Oh, shield. I'm taking shield. I got shield.
Yippee! Alright, bro. Flashbang. Help!
Boing.
Jump! Soda! Num.
Yeah, don't.
Alright, bro, I got you. I know where the exit is. I know where the exit is. I know where the exit is. Me too. Oh, wait. I think
Bev.
it's the wrong way. Yeah, wrong way.
Flashbang mine.
It's this way, it's this way.
Oh, that's a new sound effect for it.
This way, this way. Right here. Right here. Right here, right here.
All right, let's get parkour proing. Parkour civilization.
Parkour.
Oh, that was the hardest jump in the entire universe of parkour civilizations. All right, which tunnel? Okay, I'm guessing that one.
It's over here. Over. No. They added a new tunnel. They added a
Isn't
new.
that tunnel always there?
Come on, everyone. No. They added a new tunnel like over there. Look. That's right here.
Where?
Look behind you.
Oh, I see it, yeah. Skibbity toilet will be mine, yeah. Hi, Sigma.
You're gonna jump.
Wow! Is it this one? Yeah, I'm guessing it's this one because y'all are.
Yeah, right here, and then you're gonna have to
Oh, that was
parkour.
actually so easy.
Yeah, it's gonna be parkour civilization.
Civilization. I'm okay. I'm not okay. At least I know how to get there now. Cause like, that was the hardest part, right?
Salami. Come on.
What am I doing with my life? No, I'm joking. This is actually so much fun. If you guys haven't played Animal Company yet, y'all in this now.
The middle of the. No, I'm not
Oh,
your
wow.
fault.
You could favorite him. Oh, okay, wait. Weapons. There we go. And then explosives. This one's just beautiful. Excuse me. Alright, 10 bucks there's gonna be little children screaming. No. Bro, what the heck? Bro, is that what we look like when we're playing VR? It's like,
Bro, he just said the N-word. He's
oh,
definitely...
get out of here. Wait a minute, it's Whack the Pinata! Oh. What just happened? Anyway.
Yeah, because you're a little scared.
Boop, boop.
Can someone
No, he
can
didn't
someone
fall
give me
all
the
way
blue
in water.
backpack?
He killed himself! He killed himself!
What are you, that one princess off of Shrek? Princess
Hold on,
Fiona?
wait, I'm gonna go look for the 5-year-old again.
No, where did he? No! No!
He's gonna leave the. I just
Anyway.
want the backpack.
I don't want a backpack. I want a grappler so I can explore.
5-year-old kid, Santa's not gonna come see you again.
Honestly, Animal Company
Wait,
did a
he's
good job
still
on this
going to the same
update,
spot. No,
but
you are not
they
getting
need to make
presents
us.
today.
Oh, that glitch is still. I
No.
have to remove that. Anyway,
Wait, is 5-year-old back? How is
I gotta
5-year-old
make it so
back?
that. What's up, baby?
Hey guys, does anybody have Hey guys, does anybody have old pitch?
Skibbity, skibbity, skibbity. Yeah. I don't think they're gonna kill me because everything's frozen.
Okay, what's it? Guys, does anybody have a RPG fully loaded ammo?
Bro, nobody's gonna have an RPG, little bro.
That 5-year-old right there.
I know.
Hey guys, does anyone have a pumpkin or a fully loaded revolver and ammo?
They suck with directions, bro.
pumpkin? Guys, look up. There you go, bitch. Shut up. Guys, look up.
That's the mimic. Yahoo! I get it. Alright, I'm so Sigma. I found the way. That actually scared me because I'm by myself. This is like the first time I'm by myself. Hardest jump in Parkour Civilization.
You with the RPG, you with the one.
Bruh.
Guys, there's a 5-year-old raging.
What?
Move with that RPG, please.
I murdered myself! I'm gonna crash. I'm gonna crash out. Wow, that was my kitchen, guys. Or was it?
Pick
Please,
them up.
everyone,
Chat, I'm about to crash out. Somebody stole my room.
I'm gonna walk it.
Why are y'all fanboying over the RPG? Like, why are y'all fanboying over the RPG?
Yeah,
That's what I'm saying. Just unlock it.
Like, honestly.
I'm gonna put me.
Oh, someone's.
Give me the rocket launcher.
No.
No,
Give me the
bro.
goddamn rocket.
appreciate it, bro.
How about you blast his face out?
5-year-old real quick, hold on.
Give me a rocket launcher. Give me a rocket.
Code.
Please
Okay,
give me a
anyway,
rocket
I
launcher,
am going to
No. Get a job.
the edge of
join me, join me.
Anyway, yeah, this was a good
Banana, can I have a
video. I like to keep
rocket
it short.
Who's get 20K?
If y'all enjoyed this video and want to see more Animal Company, please like,
can I
subscribe,
join the
and
code
comment more
JJKK,
stuff.
join the
And
code
yeah,
JJKK,
that's
wanna
like
get
pretty
20K.
sure that's all I have to say. Yeah, anyway, I'm just gonna.
Yo, brother, can you buy me some?
What is it called?
Your